Craig Lake, and I am here with 702 Lighting to talk to you about our large accent light. So here's what he or she looks like coming out of the box. Much like our medium accent, we have longer threads. The longer threads will give you a little bit more grip when you're going into your risers, your stakes. Out of the box, this is going to come with an 8.75 inch stake, but we do have a 13-inch stake as well. The Dracula, this is purchased separately. The 8.75 is included in the box. When you grab one of these fixtures, you will notice right away it is heavy. This thing is potted to the moon to keep water out of the fixture. Our medium accent is also fully potted, but you're really going to notice the weight. This thing is over 5 pounds. It's a monster, and it's going to give you a high output, so we'll talk about that in a second. You will see that it comes with a standard cowl, like our medium accent, and our standard cowl that will allow for a frost lens or for a hexel louver, one at a time. We do have a large cowl, large long cowl. The large long cowl will allow for 2 media, so you can use both a frost lens and a hexel louver. If you need to, it will include a lens clip if you're only using one lens in the long cowl. If you need that lens to be a little bit snugger, that thing will be included. All of our fixtures will come with a magnet out of the box, well, our MSDPRO fixtures anyway, to make your adjustments on the fixture. So on the back of the fixture, there are some sight lines that you're going to see. The sight lines will line up where you make your adjustments. You make the adjustments just above the sight lines on the curve of the fixture. So on the left side of the fixture here, you're going to be able to adjust your lumen output. This is going to come out of the box on 1300 lumen. So one blink will be 1500 lumen. 3 blinks will be the low, which is 1100 lumen, and then 2 blinks will be that medium setting, which is the 1300 lumen. On your left side, this is going to be the CCT adjustment. 2 blinks is going to be 2700. 1 blink is going to be 3000K. This fixture in 2700/3000K is available in 20, 40, and 65 degree beam spreads. Please remember the medium accent is 20, 40, 60. The large is 20, 40, 65. In the cooler color temperature, 4/5000K, in the large only, it is only available at this time in 20 degrees. That is our medium accent. This thing is a monster. You can definitely use it for some light commercial applications. You're going to get a ton of punch out of it, and we look forward to seeing you guys use it.